What is up, guys? This is your friendly neighborhood BK here today, and today I'm going to be showing you my present I got from my grandparents. Let's just go ahead and get up, guys. It is what every 16-year-old wants when he turns 16, except for I turn 16 tomorrow, and it's definitely a new car. Yeah, side view. I've already been driving. I got my permit last Friday. Shut my door here. Hopefully it's not locked. Got a nice, if I can back up some without hitting my lawnmower. Got a nice side view right there. Got a pan around. This Bowflex is in the way. Sucks penis. It doesn't work at all, no. But yeah, this is a very nice car. It is a Honda Civic LX 2002, according to what my grandpa wrote down. But free quarter, didn't even know that was there. If I can pick it up. Got so much stuff in here. Not really, I got shenanigans. Nothing. Okay. Oh well, but, you know, we'd just be killing it in here. It's because my homies back in the south be listening to day and night, a night. Day and night, yo, my name is BK. We going in the Gets up to 150. Yay. I haven't put it over that yet, but it sounds great. Has cruise control right there, accel, decel, cancel. Turn it on there. It's got some wicked air. Not really. I haven't checked it out yet, which I think I'm going to. That's on. God, wonder it's not working. There we go. Day and night. There we go. That's better. Got that nice rear view mirror. Yeah. Well, guys, this is my car I got from my grandpa and my grandma. Also, along with $70 that I spent on shoes, which I could have bought a new stereo with. But yeah, that sucks. Peace out.